Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it has literally been so long since I posted a video. It's because I have no life because all I do is work. But I'm gonna try to start posting more once I get back into a routine. I forgot to film an intro for this video. I decided I wanted to do a Halloween makeup look. I got inspired by a YouTube video that I found. I will leave her channel link down below because I don't remember the name off the top of my head. But yeah, it was a really fun makeup tutorial. It's a really dark, witchy, demonic kind of look. So if you guys want to see what I did and how I did it, then just keep watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and check out all my other social medias linked down below, and stay tuned for more videos. Let me know what you guys want to see. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I found this video on YouTube. Her name's Chantel Fenwick, and it's a satanic zombie nun Halloween makeup tutorial. So I'm gonna try to follow it because I think it looks really cool. So I guess I'm gonna try to recreate that. So I'm just gonna follow along with her tutorial, and hopefully it turns out good. I literally never do makeup anymore, so we'll see how this goes. Hey, future me here editing. So I was watching Netflix whenever I was filming this video, and I didn't realize how loud it was, so you can hear it in the background. So sorry. I'm just gonna put my Tatcha Silk Canvas primer on where my pores are really bad. So on my T-zone area. And I've already put my moisturizer and stuff on today because I just got out of the shower. So my skin's prepped and ready to go. All right, so I'm just gonna follow along with this makeup tutorial. This is probably can't see, but I don't know, I think it's really cool. Okay, I'm just gonna put my hair back so I can do this. Okay, so she's going in with a white face base, but I don't have anything white. I'm gonna take my Tarte Shape Tape, and this is the shade Light, and I'm just gonna use that as my base, which is probably gonna make my skin really dry. Oh my god, this is so dry. Oh my god, my skin is gonna hate me for this. This is not even. This actually matches my skin, which is sad because that just shows how pale I am and that I need to tan. She made her eyebrows really thick and black, so I'm just gonna take, let's see, this angled brush, and oh my god, I feel I'm gonna look psycho, and just make my eyebrows really dark. I'm gonna be using so many different palettes because I don't have just a single one with the colors I need in it. I'm just gonna take this light nude color and just set my eyelids. I'm just gonna go in with a reddish brown color and just put that in my crease and just messily apply it. Okay, so she just went into the Modern Renaissance palette, and I have that, so I'm gonna take red ochre and then this orange color and mix them together, and then just deepen up. And I'm gonna take a denser brush, and she's just buffing that in her crease. She kind of put the orange all over her lid. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go in with a black eyeshadow and just put that all over my lid. I'm gonna go back in with that orange color and just try to blend this out as best I can. I'm gonna go in with that red color again with like the same brush, so that way there's still like some black on it, and then just put that under my eye. It's me again. So I realized that this next part was completely out of the frame while I was filming because there was no way for me to like look in the mirror and be in the frame of the camera. So basically what I did was I just took a black liquid liner and just started drawing like little veins on my eyes. And yeah, it was pretty simple. Mine looks terrible, but yeah, I just took the liquid liner and started drawing veins, and that's all I really did. I'm gonna take this banana shade from my Tarte palette and go over that so it kind of lightens it out. I feel like a vampire when I want blood. Ooh. Now I'm just gonna take that red color again and kind of go over the lines. And so she's just kind of going over it to like add some dimension. Okay, I'm looking insane. Like these don't even look like veins. Well, I'm gonna go back in with the black and put that down here. So now she's like making little bruises on her face, but like I don't have the colors that I need for this. I guess I'm just gonna attempt to do it with what I have.
I'm not sure what you expect me to do. Entering that person might be.
And now she's taking like a teal color and putting that with the yellow. And now she's taking a brush and like blending that out. Okay, so I'm just taking that black and tapping it on where those bruises are to kind of give it more dimension and put too much on this side. Just kind of blend these out. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the veins like on my lips. Like same thing I did up here, but like down here instead.
Let's do it. Let's finally set a date and get married.
Then I'm gonna take this red and kind of buff it in. So she took the red and like put it just like in spots around her face. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the cross on my face. So I'm just gonna take my eyeliner again.
In our New Testament, the tenets of which you already know, the 5 facets of Judas. Prepare yourselves, progress, and fear nothing. Dismiss them. Brother Upwards, word.
Okay, so now I'm gonna put black eyeshadow on my lips. And I'm just gonna smudge it out. I was gonna put lashes on, but I literally have one, so I guess I'm just gonna do mascara. I'm actually gonna put black lipstick on, just to kind of make this a little darker. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I'm not a makeup artist. I just changed into some black, put some necklaces on to make it a little more spooky. My hair's still wet, so that's why it looks like this. Yeah, I like it. It's very dark. Yeah, so that's gonna be it for this video. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more videos. Hi, Finn. Stay tuned for more, like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!